Alright, welcome back. Good to have you back to my channel. It's been an awesome time, an amazing moment with you right in this channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your thumbs up, for your likes, for your share to grow my channel. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your lovely comments. I appreciate that. I appreciate all that you have been doing to keep this channel going. Please don't relent on your effort. Keep doing so. Alright, we're starting a new video series on problem solving. And you agree with me that everything happening in the world today has its own problem. That's what about it. Because no system in the world has 100% efficiency. However, problems, those issues are not a big deal to those who are prepared to solve problems. And that is why we are here to look at stages on how problems can be solved. So when we are prepared, we're able to handle those problems. Again, I want you to understand that computers are primarily designed to solve problems. However, they can't solve problems by themselves. They need to be instructed on how to solve those problems. And that is why we need to understand how to solve a problem. So as programmers or as individuals, we can learn how to instruct a computer to solve problem, because a problem you don't understand, you can't solve. So just sit back, relax, as to take you on this journey of problem solving. You have a nice time. So right in this video series, we'll be looking at things like stages of problem solving, where we have various stages, like 7 stages of problem solving. We'll be looking at them one after the other. We'll be looking at algorithms and pseudocode. Now, algorithms, as name implies, are step-by-step procedures to solve problems, while pseudocode is a method to represent an algorithm. After that, we'll be looking at flowchart. Flowchart is also another method used in algorithm representation, but this time around is a graphical representation of algorithm. Then after that, as we know, in computing, now we have tools, programming tools, programming language, which we use in solving problems. So for this video series, we're looking at BASIC as a programming tool. We chose this language because it's the least for every user. Every new user in computing can learn this easily. Whether you're in an accounting firm, accounting field, you're not computing field, you don't need a background knowledge to learn BASIC. It's almost like synonymous to English language. So we're looking at how to program in just BASIC. Then look at how to convert our algorithms to code. Having developed our algorithms, look at how to design the algorithms to become code. Then implementing like control structures, looking at go-to statements, creating objects with our programming language, then outputting our formats, formatting our output. This is basically for the purpose of your reader, for your user. The user needs to understand your code, so the code needs to be more readable and understandable to your user. So that's why we're considering output formatting to help your user to understand your code. The final thing is debugging of program. We'll write our programs, so bugs are errors in code. So debugging is process of removing errors from your code. So once you run your program and it doesn't compile, that means there are presence of errors. So debugging helps you to remove errors or bugs from your code. So sit back, relax. I promise you, at the end of this video series, you will remain the same. Your approach, your mindset will change about problems. You see them in a different dimension. Thank you, and sit back. See you in our subsequent video.